question. The two inductors available. Okay, the inductors 1 mH is having internal resistance of 3 ohm. Okay, and another inductance 2 mH, it is having an internal resistance of 4 ohm. Okay, so they have just mentioned everything very clearly. And the total resistance, you are having a 12 ohm here, and then it is connected across a 5 volt battery. Okay, that's all. So the circuit, when it is maximum, means it will be having the time t equal to 0. That means what the time t equals 0 means? The time t equals 0, the circuit becomes short circuit. Okay, the circuit becomes short circuit. That's all. Okay. Listen me. Always, whenever at the time t equal to 0, the circuit becomes short circuit means inductor. What about the inductor? Means immediately, inductor immediately it won't give any change, it won't give, okay, it won't give any change in current, any change in current, because inductor means it is a form of a instantaneous voltage. Okay, so that means what, it stores some instantaneous current at for some temporary time, but initially it will start getting the charge. Okay, at the beginning itself it doesn't have anything. Only resistors are having the important thing. It will stop the flowing of current or stop the speed like that. Capacitor means that initially it will charge the it will store the charges. It's like your overhead tank, because whenever you switch on the motor, the water is flowing inside the tank, and slow by slowly the tank will get full. Is it right? Like, okay. So at the beginning, inductors at the beginning immediately it won't give a change at the beginning. Okay, never to forget, at the beginning it won't give any change. Okay, so therefore initial current, okay, will be equal to some time. Initial current will be equal to some time. So that if I just use the plus here means I have to use the minus here. Okay, so that means I just write I of 0 minus. Okay, vice versa. Okay, so what I'm telling means after switching at the very beginning, after switching at the very beginning, I just write beginning. Okay, after switching very beginning, the inductors does not draws current. Okay, does not draws the current. That's all. Okay, so when time t equal to 0, okay, the current from the battery, that means what, the I from the battery, that means what, inductor, it will not charge, it will not charge. Okay, so automatically this resistor won't have any effect. So what is that? I is equal to, what is the voltage? V by R, I, V is 5 divided by 12. So when there is no need of a resistor here, no need of resistor here for at the beginning. Okay, when time t is equal to infinite, t is equal to infinite means what, this is a I minimum. Okay, at the very beginning current is minimum. When the time go over means I becomes maximum at the time. Okay, so at the time the resistor gets effect. So when it becomes infinity, I becomes infinity means resistor will get into effect. Okay, at the time what you have means I is equal to, that I'm telling I max equal to V by R. First what is that? 5 by 12. That is very important. V by R 5 by 12 plus, next what is that? Next is 5 by 3, because this is also available, right? Okay, 5 by 3, because y means I of 0 naught, and then I of 0, 0 plus 0 means both are same as of the inductance. Okay, inductance at the beginning is not giving anything. So 5 by 3, and then next is about 5 by 4. Okay, that's 5 divided by 4. If you do the calculation means you will get the LCM and everything means what you will get 5 into, so 1 plus 4 plus 3, that is equal to, or divided by 12, is it right? It is equal to what? 8 into 5, 40. 40 divided by 12. This is for what? I max. Okay. So what they have asked, the ratio of minimum maximum to minimum. So that means what? I max to the I minimum is equal to what is I max? 40 by 12. Okay, I just write here. I max is equal to 40 divided by 12, and then I minimum. This is I minimum is equal to 5 by 12. So 40 divided by 12 divided by 5 by 12, 12 gets cancelled, is equal to 40 by 5, and that is equal to, just write as here, and that's equal to 8. Okay, 8 amps. So answer is 8 amps. I write. Okay, answer is 8 amps. That is the answer. Okay, so very simple. In the I max, why have written 5 by 3, 5 by 4 means at the time inductor value becomes 0. There is no such. Okay, I'm சொல்றேன். ஸோ சர்க்கியூட் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. சர்க்கியூட்டில் வந்து என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, t is equal to 0 வந்து ஷார்ட் ஆகும், அப்போ தான் கரண்ட் பாஸ் ஆக ஆரம்பிக்கும். அப்போ at the beginning என்ன சொல்றாங்க, இண்டக்டர் எப்பவுமே சார்ஜ் எடுத்துக்காது, எதுவோ ஸ்லோவாக சார்ஜ் எடுத்துருக்கோம், சின்ன சின்ன சார்ஜ் கண்ணுக்கு தெரியாத சார்ஜ் இருக்கும், அதெல்லாம் வந்து பெருசாக நம்ம கன்சிடர் பண்ணோம்னா அப்ராக்சிமேட்லி 0 கொடுக்க வேண்டியதான். அப்படிப்பட்டதுல I of 0 plus, okay, is equal to 0 minus, that's all, okay, at the beginning. அப்போ ஸ்விட்ச் பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் நாம இண்டக்டர்ஸ்ல கரண்ட் இருக்காது. அப்போ மினிமம் கரண்ட் எவ்வளோ வரும்னா, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் மினிமம் வந்து அந்த 4 ohm 3 ohm ரெசிஸ்டர் இருக்கலாம் இண்டக்டர் பக்கம், அதை கன்சிடர் பண்ண வேண்டாம், அது ஃபுல்லாகவே ரிமூவ் ஆயிரும் ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்காக. அப்போ வந்து 5/12 மட்டும் போட்டால் போதும். அப்போ கொஞ்ச நேரம் கழிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் என்ன வரும்னா, இண்டக்டர் ஸ்லோவாக ஆரம்பிக்கும். இப்போ இண்டக்டர் ஸ்லோவாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா அது ரொம்ப பெருசாக வராது. ஸோ அப்போ வந்து நம்ம ரெசிஸ்டரை மட்டும் நம்ம கன்சிடர் பண்ண போதும். ஸோ ஐமேக்ஸ் இதில் என்ன பண்ணாங்கன்னா 5/12 கொடுத்துட்டு ரெசிஸ்டர் என்னது 3 இருக்குதா, அப்போ என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க 3 divided by 5/3, 5 ஏன்னா 5 வோல்டேஜ் டிவைட் பை 3 ரெசிஸ்டர், அது மாதிரி அடுத்ததில் வந்து 5/4, ஏன்னா எல்லாம் பேரலாக இருக்கலாம், இதில் ஆட் பண்ணிவிட்டு அது பண்ணிக்கிறாங்க. ஸோ டோட்டலாக வர ஆன்சர் ஐமேக்ஸ். ஓகே, ஸோ ஐமேக்ஸ் பை மினிமம்னு என்னது 40/12 divided by 5/12 equal to 40/5 equal to 8 ஆன்சர். ஓகேவா, தேங்க்யூ.